how to cancel the subscription on Google Workplace. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Google Workplace subscription. So let's get started. On this process, at first, you'll have to just open up any browser on your system, and from there, you'll have to just open the Google Workplace. Alright, after you open Google Workplace, you will be able to see this type of interface. From your at the top left corner, you'll have to look for the options like account. Alright, after you click on that account, from there you'll have to click on subscription. Alright, from the subscription section, you'll be able to find all of your subscription on Google Workplace. From there, you'll have to just select that Google Workplace subscription whom you want to deactivate or unsubscribe. So simply tap on that. And from your subscription section, at the bottom, you'll have to click on more, and from that more option, you can easily find the options like cancel your subscription. From that way, you'll have to tap on that option. Alright, from the section, as you can also go the options like view downgrade option. Right now we are canceling the subscription, so simply click on the option cancel subscription. Okay, from your at the bottom left, you'll have to provide your email address which was associated with that Google Workplace account. After you provide, click on the option cancel my subscription just at the bottom right. From your, you'll have to just verify that it is you. For that, enter your Google ID password, and after you enter the correct ID password, you'll have to click on next. Alright, by doing that process, you can easily cancel your subscription on Google Workplace. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.